name is Crystal Noel, and I'm an assistant professor at the Duke Quantum Center. I started here this year as a new faculty member, and my research is in trapped ion quantum computing. As a new professor, I have a lot of things to think about in terms of setting up a new lab. Being able to order the Newport tables, have them arrive, installed, and ready to use with very minimal effort from me was very helpful. Here at DQC, we are building systems. We're building quantum computers at scale. So these aren't, small prototype devices. These are full-scale academic quantum computers. And so we have one already, and we have another one that is sort of under a characterization phase, and then we're also designing a third system. And I've been involved in all three of these. These quantum computers that we build are extremely sensitive to vibrations in the environment that get kind of imprinted onto our lasers. The DQC is located right on the train line, and this causes a lot of noise and vibrations in the building, and that's something that can affect our experiments. So we are able to isolate our experiments from all of that by using the Newport optical tables to eliminate the effects of the train. The particular tables that we ordered and are using are non-magnetic stainless steel. And this is important to us because our qubits are sensitive to magnetic fields in the environment. And if we had a fully magnetic table, this could change whenever we move something around in the lab. It would change the field that the ion sees and cause problems for us. So we appreciate that we can get this non-magnetic option. Newport has been great. Building a new lab, I think it's easy to fall back on kind of what's been done before and what you're used to. But I think we've tried to keep an open mind in building these new experiments and choosing what's going to work best for us and not necessarily what was used in the last experiment. We're able to coordinate the purchase of a large number of tables when we opened up our 5 new laboratories here at DQC, and we appreciate how smoothly that went. We also frequent customers of many of the optomechanics and optics that are available, and they always get to us fast, and of course we appreciate the photon food.